We'll guide you through how to add a watermark in Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Canva. So perhaps you've been working on a design and project, and now you want to go and add a watermark to it. A watermark can go and help protect it, because if somebody else goes and uses it, it will go and say your name or brand on it. So we're going to guide you through this. There are different ways you can go about this as well, so watch this full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. For the first way, you can come over to the left in Canva and you can go and select text or hover over it. Now what you can do is you can go and press add a text box. Now you can go and type in here what you wanted to say. I can go and add in GuideRealm, for example. Then we'll just go and double click on it to go and highlight it. You can go and choose your font at the top here. So you can come and browse down. I'll go and choose one here. I'll go for this one. And what I like to do as well is then we can go and double click on it. We'll go and make it bold so it's easily visible. Now you can also go and change the color of it if needed. So you can press text color at the top and go and set it to something easily visible. I'm going to go and actually go and just click off of it and then click on it again and go and drag it. So in this case, black actually looks quite good in the top here. And you can go and resize it by using that corner point like so. And you can go and adjust it to your liking. Now what I like to do is go and make it slightly more transparent. So if we go to the top, you can press transparency and decrease it. So we can essentially go and adjust the opacity. As you can see, that can look really good. So you go and leave it in the corner. Alternatively, you could go and click on the corner point again and resize it. You can make it the entire size. Press Control C to copy it and then Control V to paste it. And you can then go and keep repeating that and go and cover the whole image to go make sure it's fully protected and it's not going to easily go and be cropped out. Alternatively, if we go and delete these, what you could do is go and add in your logo. So to do that, you can come over to the left and press Uploads, press Upload Files. You can go and find your logo. I already have, it's actually here, so I can go and click on it and add it in. And then what you can do is go and resize it to your liking. And once again, we can go and then press transparency at the top and go and make it more transparent, like so. There's some different options for going and adding a watermark to your image. And of course, you can then download it.